Simple prep, apply, and slay. Let's get into these Gel X extensions. So I'm using the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover on my cuticles. It's got aloe and calamine in it, which I love because it keeps everything so soft and calm. I'm just applying it to all my fingers, and I will let it sit for about 20 seconds before we move on to the next step. I am using an orange wood stick to push back my cuticles and clean up some of the extra glue on my nails. I like doing it this way because I'm still learning, and when I tried using a drill or a metal cuticle pusher, it actually caused a little pain. You can even see a few tiny indents on my nails from when I hit some hot spots with the drill. So from now on, I'm keeping it simple, easy, and way less stressful on my nails. And honestly, using the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover makes this part so much easier. It helps lift up all that leftover glue with no effort. I just wipe whatever is on the stick onto a paper towel and I keep it moving. Now I'm using these nail sanding pens. They're really gentle and perfect for cleaning up around the cuticle area without needing a drill. Super beginner friendly and budget friendly. When I say I really love using these sanding pens, I really do love using these sanding pens because they also help remove leftover nail polish. I like for my gel extensions to sit close to the cuticle for that seamless and natural look that I be going for. Now I'm going to apply some alcohol to my nails and use a cotton pad to really get in there and get around the cuticle area and get all that gunk that I scraped off. Now I'm using a buffing block to lightly smooth my nails. This helps create a nicer, smoother nail bed before I apply my gel extensions. After buffing my nails, I take the same small buffing block and lightly run across the tips. This helps get rid of any jagged edges and make sure all the nails are close to the same length. After buffing is complete, I go in with a cotton pad with alcohol on it and just clean around my nail bed. Okay fam, now you know your girl's a little extra. I'm putting sunscreen on every fingertip, front and back, because yes, the backs of your fingers are exposed too. I will rub it all in, and then I will clean off my fingertips with alcohol pad and let the sunscreen chill out for about 20 minutes before we get back to these nails. Safety first, glam always. Next, I'm applying the Nail Prep Dehydrator just to make sure any leftover sunscreen on my nail beds is gone. Right after that, I use an acid-free primer. I grabbed both of these off of Amazon and I've never had any issues with them. Next, I'm using the Salivan Advanced Nail Strengthener. It's good for strengthening and repairing weak and thin nails. This treatment has castor oil and vitamin E in it. I'm using it to continue to keep my nails strengthened because I do a lot of gel X extensions. Gotta keep my nails healthy. Finally, I'm using the Zombie Easy Peel Off Base Gel. I apply 2 thin layers, curing for 60 seconds between each one. With proper prep, my gel extensions usually last me about 2 weeks. I love using this base because I do my nails often and it makes removing extensions, oh man, super easy. Prep is done, nails are ready. Now let's get into applying these Gel X extensions and making them pop. This is the OPI Gelivate 4-in-1 Builder. I apply the glue to the inside of my Gel X extensions and I scrape off a little of the glue from the brush. We'll place my extensions at a 45-degree angle and press it down softly, making sure the glue reaches the tip of my nail. Once in place, I will fast cure for 15 seconds. I do the same steps to all of my gel extensions. I apply glue to the inside of my gel extension. Then I will scrape some of the gel from my brush. I place the nail at a 45-degree angle. Once the glue reaches the tip of my nail, I will cure for 15 seconds. All my gel extensions are on. Now I'm lightly using my drill to clean up any glue that might have squeezed out from under the extensions. Now I'm using a file just to file around the tip of each of the fingernails to remove the plastic piece. Now I'm lightly buffing the extensions to remove the shine so the polish can stick better. I'm going to use a brush to get all the dust off my nails and my glove. Last step, using some acetone. I'm going to dip my brush in the acetone and gently press back and forth around the cuticles. I want to blend the extensions for a seamless look. Quick alcohol wipe, nails are clean and ready. And that's it, full prep, Gel X application, sanding, and drill work done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.